Welcome to Chess Armory's digital chess clock tutorial. In this video we're going to go over the features of Chess Armory's digital chess clock. Chess clock includes a count up timer, a countdown timer, with options for delay and bonus time, as well as an audible alarm. To get started, switch the on switch on the back of the clock. The clock automatically comes up programmed with the previous game settings. In this case, we have the clock set up at all zeros, and we start with a count up timer. Pressing the play button begins the timer. The side with the paddle up starts to count up. Reset the clock again. Hold down the play button to enter programming mode. Use the play button to go to the next digit and the plus and minus buttons to set the time. In this example, we're setting 10 seconds on each side. We hit the play button to begin the game. Side with a paddle up goes first. To set your countdown timer with the bonus option, enter programming mode again. After you're done setting the time, in the following screen, set your bonus time. Same as way you set the regular timer, use the play button, the plus minus button. When you're ready to begin, hold down the play button for a few seconds. You'll exit program mode and start the game. Hit the play button to begin playing. Side with the paddle up goes first. You'll notice once you hit the paddle button, the bonus time you previously put in gets added to that player's side. In this case, 5 seconds. Now to set your countdown timer with delay option, very similar to setting it up with the bonus option. Go into program mode, set your time, go to the next screen, zero out your bonus time if you have anything there. And in the following screen, you'll input the delay time just as you did the bonus time. In this example, we're adding 3-second delay to each side. We've also turned on the alarm. 0 is alarm off, 1 is alarm on. Hold down the play button to exit programming mode. Press the play button again to begin the game. You'll notice the countdown timer. The delay option adds 3 seconds to each side before the timer starts. Thanks for watching our video. These are the basic functions of Chess Armory's digital chess clock.